Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add a percentage symbol in Microsoft Excel. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel and load the document where you want to add the percentage symbol. Here's an example of a document that I created which contains details of patients from different locations along with their audience count. Now let's say we want to add a percentage symbol to all the numbers in the audience section. How do we do that? It's actually pretty simple. Start by selecting the cells where you want to apply the percentage symbol. Once selected, right-click and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells window, scroll down and select the last option labeled as Custom. In the Type section, click on the number 0, then type a backslash followed by the percentage symbol. You can enter the percentage symbol by holding the Shift key and pressing the 5 key on your keyboard as well. If you have trouble typing it, I'll include the exact format in the description, so be sure to check it out. Once you have typed this, click OK and it's done. The number in the audience column have been formatted with a percentage symbol. And that's it. That's how you can easily add a percentage symbol in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.